Hello, my name is Peter.
Hello, my name is Kevin.
Let's talk about mosquito.
What is a mosquito?
Mosquito is a poison.
Where do they live?
Anywhere there is water for their larva.
What do mosquito eat?
Male mosquito suck nectar on female mosquito suck blood.
Why do female mosquito
They need nutrients to make their eggs.
How can they eat? How can they find out?
They can smell a chemical in our breed.
Do mosquitoes cause problem?
Yes, they carry some many deadly diseases. Thank you.